YouTube? It's your boy Enox. Today, I'm finna teach you how to do a tray flip.
Yo, what up kids? You want to learn how to tray flip like the pros? Well, I'm here to show you how. How you want to put your feet. You want your front foot to be below the front bolts on a slight angle, and you want your back foot to be up on the tail, in that corner pocket. Now you want to pop, and you want to scoop the tail out like you're doing a pop shove it, but with a bit more pressure, and you want to add a little kick to your front foot like you're doing the kick flip. A good way to practice this trick is just to pop, scoop, and catch it with your front foot and leave your back foot on the ground. Once you're confident with the motion, try doing it while rolling.
If you guys like that video, be sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to sub, and I'll catch you next week in another episode of Trick Tip Tuesdays.